On today's episode, I will be showing you how to change a damaged UPS battery. So stay tuned and watch. First thing you would do is to disconnect the cable connection between the battery terminals. Pull this out. Then you pull this out. Take the battery out. This is the battery. This is not good. Change this also. This is the casing. This is the new battery. I'm going to replace the old ones that are bad. Remove this from the terminal. Just take it off. Take it off. Take this off. Take this off. Take the last one off. And then you link, connect them serially. And connect the positive. Connect the negative. So these are the positive, the negative terminal. Loop negative, positive to negative, and then to negative to the positive. So this is how to connect the UPS battery in series. See the power is here, so I'm going to charge it for some time before I turn it on. Let's try to turn it on and see whether it will come up. This is the power on. Press it down. Yes, you can see that our UPS is working. Let's turn it off so that I can charge for some time too.